Welcome to Top 5 Best Picks. The best teen gifts is probably one of the most sought-after topics for parents, relatives, and friends during birthdays, holidays, or any special occasion. This is because finding a gift that resonates with a 16 to 18-year-old girl, who has her own unique style and interests, can be tricky, but don't worry. In this video, we've curated a list of trending and thoughtful gift ideas that are sure to impress any teen girl, covering a range of interests and budgets, from practical items to fun and exciting surprises. Number 5. LECLSTAR 50 LED Photo Lights. These versatile lights add a warm, inviting glow to any space. With 50 clips, they're perfect for showcasing your favorite photos and mementos. Each LED bulb has a clip to hold your pictures or small items. They create a magical atmosphere, ideal for parties or special occasions. With 50 clips and a length of 17 feet, it provides ample space to display your memories. The spacing between bulbs is 10 centimeters, allowing for flexible arrangement. Enjoy 8 different lighting modes, from a steady glow to twinkling lights, all easily controlled with the included remote. Change the mood with a simple touch. It's a unique way to showcase precious photos, transforming a plain wall into a vibrant display of cherished moments. Let your creativity shine. We stand behind our product 100%. If you're not completely satisfied, contact us, and we'll make it right. Your happiness is our priority. What we like. It boasts 50 clips to showcase your favorite memories and offers 8 lighting modes for versatile ambience. If you love decorating with photos and want to easily control the lighting, this is the perfect choice. Its remote control makes adjusting the lighting a breeze, adding convenience and flexibility to your display. What people say. The string contains 50 small LED lights that can hold tiny photo prints, which are easy to insert and change. The lights are bright and energy efficient, making them safe to leave on for hours. It's a great way to share memories with friends and family, and the string is long enough to create a fun and stylish display. This is such a great idea for a teenage gift. It was easy to hang up. The color is bright and twinkly. We love these lights so much we have bought them multiple times. My daughter has them all around her room with pictures. They are easy to hang and quickly clip. We purchased for a graduation party backdrop to hang pictures and reuse in the college dorm. Number 4. Mind-glowing photo clip string lights. It casts a gentle, warm glow, perfect for reading nooks, study areas, or relaxing retreats. This will add ambience and make any space feel inviting and serene. Everything you need to decorate is included. You'll find a long string of lights, a remote, photo clips, wall hooks, and adhesive strips, all ready to use. Power it with USB for continuous use or with batteries for portability. It's perfect for bedrooms, dorms, or even outdoor use. With 8 twinkle modes and brightness control, you can set the perfect ambience for any occasion. Easily adjust the light with the remote. It's made with durable materials and comes in beautiful gift-ready packaging. The soft, golden glow transforms any room into a warm, inviting space. What we like. This kit comes with everything you need to get started, including a remote, adhesive strips, and clips. It offers 8 lighting modes and can be powered by USB or batteries. If you're looking for a complete and versatile lighting solution with flexible power options, this is the one for you. It's perfect for those who want a hassle-free setup and the ability to use it anywhere. What people say. The clips are great for displaying photos, artwork, or little mementos, and the soft glow of the lights creates a cozy atmosphere. They're easy to hang, and the quality is really good. The soft glow adds such a cozy, festive touch, and I love how easy they are to use. Plus, with so many different lighting options, you can customize the ambience however you like. My daughter loved opening up the cute packaged photo clip light string. I love the fact that it has a remote control that has a time function, as my daughter likes to use it as a night light. It also has a brightness feature as well. I also like the fact that it gives you the option of using batteries, USB plug into a computer or an outlet. Very cute and great quality. It even gives you clips to hang on the wall. Number 3. LED Photo Clip Starry Lights. It creates a warm and inviting ambience. The transparent clips hold your photos, casting a soft glow on your cherished memories. With 20 clips spaced evenly, it offers ample room for displaying your favorite pictures. Arrange them however you like. This unique way to display photos brings your memories to life. It transforms any space into a personalized gallery. Perfect for indoors or outdoors, it adds a touch of magic to any occasion. Use it at home, parties, or special events. It's perfect for holidays like Christmas, Halloween, Thanksgiving, and Valentine's Day. It adds a festive touch to any celebration. Use it at your wedding, banquet, or any special event. It adds a touch of elegance and romance to your celebration. What we like. With its 20 clips and remote control, it's easy to create a charming display. It's perfect for various occasions, from home decor to parties. If you need a simple yet functional option for adding a touch of elegance to your space or events, this is a great choice. Its compact size and versatility make it ideal for smaller spaces or special events. What people say. All these loose photos, drawings, and memorabilia are now lighted and on display and out of the way. This is the perfect item for your room if you want to add a beautiful aesthetic accent to your warm house. I love that the remote comes with 1010. This product is perfect to give a warm vibe to any space and add some memories with cute photos. 20 clips for photos. It comes with a control that allows you to change the style and even better, the intensity of the lights. The batteries last long. Good product. Number 2. Doodle Hog Polymer Clay Earring Kit. It's time to get creative with our all-in-one earring making kit. Everything you need to make 12 pairs of unique earrings is included. This kit is filled with high-quality materials. It features 5 colors of polymer clay, hypoallergenic findings, and professional tools. Even if you've never made jewelry before, you'll be able to create stunning earrings. A step-by-step guide makes it simple. It has everything you need: clay, earring posts and hooks, jump rings, glue, and pliers. You'll be ready to start making earrings right away. Looking for a unique gift for a creative friend or family member? This kit is perfect for anyone who loves DIY projects and jewelry making. What we like. This kit provides all the materials to create 12 unique pairs of earrings. It's perfect for beginners and comes with easy-to-follow instructions. If you're looking for a fun and creative activity, or a thoughtful gift for a creative teen, this is a great option. It's a fantastic way to unleash your creativity and create personalized jewelry. What people say. The variety of colors included in the kit is impressive. The neon polymer clay colors are vibrant and eye-catching, allowing my nieces to create unique and stylish earrings. The kit comes with all the necessary tools and accessories needed for jewelry making. From earring hooks to jump rings and even a clay roller, everything is included in this comprehensive kit. The quality of the clay is exceptional. It is soft and easy to mold, making it perfect for kids to work with. The clay also hardens well after baking, ensuring that the earrings will be durable and long-lasting. Number 1. Growiner 3D Moon Lamp. This isn't just a lamp, it's a unique work of art. Its stunning design combines traditional craftsmanship with cutting-edge 3D technology, creating a truly captivating piece. It features a beautiful hanging net, allowing you to display it as a stunning moon lamp or a galaxy lamp. The possibilities are endless. With its remote control, you can easily change the color and adjust the brightness. It offers 16 RGB colors and 4 different lighting modes to suit any mood. It has a built-in rechargeable battery that lasts for 10 to 35 hours on a single charge. Enjoy its soft glow all night long without worrying about it running out of power. It makes a wonderful gift for birthdays, holidays, or any special occasion. It's sure to bring joy to anyone who receives it. Use it as a romantic addition to your bedroom, a fun accent in a child's room, or a unique decoration at parties and events. It's perfect for any setting. We stand behind our product. If you have any issues, contact us, and we'll resolve them within 24 hours. Your happiness is our priority. What we like. This moon lamp offers 16 colors and comes with a remote for easy control. Its unique design makes it a stylish addition to any room. If you're looking for a beautiful and functional night light with a touch of magic, this is the perfect choice. It's a great gift for those who appreciate unique and aesthetically pleasing items. What people say. Just like it showed online. Beautiful colors. Cool but doesn't illuminate like these photos. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.